So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build products in NextGen, build the packages in NextGen, and then also show you how to build the corresponding product packages in rows. So first you want to log into NextGen, click on My Account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a product section, so you want to select that. And I've pre-built a couple of my items here. I have my 8x10 memory mate, which is a D, an E, an F, and a G. So I need to move on to build the H product. So I'm going to click on New Product. I'm going to find that product in the listing. So it's one 5x17. I'm going to type in the user code as H, and it's easiest if the user code and the lab product code match. The lab product code is the name of the package favorite in rows. So I know that in rows I'm going to build a package with a 5x7 in it and call it H. My quantity is 1. My product cost is 43 cents, and the price I'm charging for this is $14. And I'll say save. You can continue moving forward doing each of these products. So we'll do the 4x5. And 4x5. Product code is I1, and this is 85 cents. Price is $16. Save. And continue moving forward and selecting the product, entering the product name, 8 wallets individual. We'll do the lab code, 85 cents and $14. Say save. So I've built all of my print products out. So now I need to build packages, so we'll click on the packages section. Then I'm going to select new package, and I'm going to build that package A. So I'm going to type in package A. The discount for this, I'm just going to make something up, and I know that I have an 8x10 memory mate, a 5x7 individual, and an 8 wallet. So I'm going to find my 8x10 memory mate, my 5x7 individual, and my 8 wallet, and I'll say save. So here's our new package, and we can continue doing this for all of the other items. So in rows, we need to build packages that correspond to all of our products that we've created. So we'll open up rows, select the volume package print section, and we're going to find our 8x10s, our 5x7, 4x5, 8 wallet. So first we're going to do those 8x10s, so we'll select the 8x10, click on the heart with the green plus, and I've already created a NextGen tab. So I have my NextGen tab selected. I'm going to enter a D. So I'll enter D, hit enter, now that's saved. Go back to the volume prints luster section, select my E product, hit the heart with the green plus, hit E, do the same thing. Now we're going to do F. Now we need a single 5x7. So we're going to find that individual 5x7, click on the heart with the green plus, type in G, and so on and so forth. So now we're going to match our images using some sample data to the products that we just built. So I've imported a sample event, which you can download and use as a first time for package building. So here's my sample event, and I need to go to Associate Fields. And here are my NextGen packages that I built. So we can see using the next-gen image code key here, that image 1 is used for specialty items, image 2 is for prints, 3 is for buttons, etc. So there are a couple of things. I know my package D is a memory mate from the listing that we have here. So we have our package D, which is a memory mate. So we will use the memory mate image, which is going to be image 5. So I'm going to drag that up there. I'm going to go to E, and E is an 8x10 individual, and my individual prints are going to use image 2. So I'm going to select image 2, and F is an 8x10 team. So which is the team image? It's image 6. So I'm going to drag image 6 and so on and so forth. So just find the item and then find the image that corresponds to it. So image 2 is the 5x7 because image 2 is going to be used on almost all of your print items for the individual. So we can continue going forward. So G, H, 5x7 team is image 6. I is for 5x5 individual, so that's image 2. And then J is the 8 wallet individual, image 2. And that's it. So once you have all of your images associated, then you can relax and just start the review. So we can say, okay, review all, and here we go. We have package D, package E, package F, G, H, I, J, and we're all done. So I've ordered one for everybody, just as an example. So we've gone through, it's going to continue ordering one for every single subject in my CSV or event, and all of the packages are now associated to the using the appropriate image fields. You can find all of the appropriate links in the details below. So if you have any questions, just give us a call. Thanks.